Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. Now, like I said, I've got 3 PC builds. This is number 2. This is for my other nephew. This is for the youngest, and his name's Leon. Now, I spent a lot of time building this for him. The case is a little bit smaller than the previous one, but I really think he's going to like it. But whether he likes it or not, that's up to him. But I think he's going to love it. So make sure you continue to watch. Okay then, so what did you think of that? Now, what I'm going to say is he picked the colour. He wanted black with loads of RGB. Now, I couldn't get a kit of RAM for him, so I used the TeamGroup Delta RGB RAM that I've got here myself. So that was a kit that I had spare here. I used that, the AIO, the fans, the case, the power supply, they were all provided by me. The only thing that was provided by Adata and Scott at Target was the 1TB NVMe. The rest I provided, and obviously my brother bought the motherboard, the CPU and the GPU on my recommendations. So yeah, now I like the build. I used to really love black and RGB. I'm going off RGB a little, I prefer subtle, but this is his first gaming PC, his first one ever. He's always been a console gamer, and I'm so glad to get him off that damn console. Get on a PC, boy! So, yeah. Now look, both of my nephews, they were treated by me for Christmas. I'm the one that provided the extra parts because I had them here. So that's my gift to them, is they get all the parts that I've put into the builds. And of course then I've got these two CM420 keyboard mousepad combos for Christmas as well. Big thank you to Target, Dan from Target. So I really hope that they enjoy their Christmas presents, because I will see their face, and I really hope that they both love their builds, because I did put a lot of effort and a lot of time into it, and I really hope that they appreciate the fact that I put a lot of time into it. So yeah, now look, this is going to be my last video until Boxing Day, so I want you guys to have a fantastic Merry Christmas from Richard here from WELSHYTECH. I hope you guys have a fantastic holidays. And as always, this is Richard from WELSHYTECH. Make sure you subscribe, because I got one more PC build coming Boxing Day. So yeah, goodbye.